Latest on the rusty red bucket. I decided to ditch the fogs altogether. They were mismatched. This one was aftermarket. The housings are destroyed. This is a lot cleaner for now until I can actually get them rewired up. The wiring harnesses and everything just kind of ripped to shreds. I have plenty of donor parts here. I ordered some touch-up paint for the SLX from paintscratch.com. So I'm cleaning up some of these really noticeable ones. Luckily the color match is perfect, so this will do just fine until I get any additional paint work done. She goes. Next stop, sunny Southern California. The next thing that I will see the SLX for is coming up this week, and then in December you will see it at the Radwood Car Show in California. So here we go. There it goes.